Good morning. This is my Bilt Super Bronco 42. It's not starting. It was running fine. It's got good gas and all that good stuff, just stopped running. So we're going to try to figure that out. So like I said, there's fresh gas in it. I'm going to start with the fuel filter and switch it out because it doesn't seem like it's getting fuel. Fuel filter's right here, left-hand side, engine compartment. Okay, fuel line's replaced, or the filter's replaced. See how it goes. Oh, come on. So it doesn't look like it's the fuel filter, so now I'm gonna take out the plug and give it a brush and see if that has anything to do with it not starting. Okay, so now that I've removed the housing and the big old Black Widow, I'm actually going to take out the plug, and it's a 13/16 tube socket.
It's right here in front of the motor.
There you go. Okay, I gave it a good brush, and we'll see if that works. You want to put it in hand tight, or start threading it hand tight. So you don't cross thread it. Kind of hard to get to, not too bad. All right, so there it's threading easily by hand. And then, because this is a used plug, the manual says that when you tighten it, once you get it hand tight, you just tighten it another about a quarter turn to seat the gasket in there. If it was new, I think you'd have to check the manual. I don't want to give you the wrong info on a new plug. All right, so there's our turn. Snap that back on. See how we do. That's all it was. Just the spark plug needed to be brushed off. So I got off real cheap this time, and good luck to you.